Hi, this is Luke Westin with Chief at Integrated Systems Europe 2020, and we're showing the Tempo AV floor support mounting system. So one of the big challenges with deploying large-scale conference room installations is the time it takes to do site surveys. There's a lot of work that goes into the job to specify the right parts before you actually get to the install. So the Tempo system solves that problem, and I'll show you why. The Tempo system, all the weight is supported by the floor, so all you need is a floor, a wall, and an outlet nearby, which most conference rooms have. You do need to anchor the uprights into the wall, but they can move in any position, so you can use basically any wall. The cover here conceals any power and signal cable. This is a magnetic connection. And the cover below is customizable. It comes in a standard gray finish, but can be customized to match any environment. And inside the lower cover, you have plenty of AV storage space. You can even put a 2R rack gear into the lower AV storage space. The mount we have here is a Fusion single flat panel, but you can also add a 2x1 dual display if you want. For more information, stop by Hall 2, C50, or visit legrandav.com.